Welcome to another video, guys. Today's topic will be something completely different. Welcome to a new year where traditional ideas are being completely redefined. Oil power, the industrial age, and right now, guys, data is something that is most valuable thing in the world. So today's topic will be DitGold or DitGold, where you will find why the value of data is that high and how you can actually benefit from that. So guys, stay tuned. So welcome guys, and as you can see in front of you is DitGold or data is gold. So before we continue, you need to know that I'm not your financial advisor. Nothing in this video is financial advice, and everything that I'm doing here is for your education and for your entertainment. That means that you need to do your own research before any investment of yours, and also always invest the amount of money that you're willing to lose. That's the golden rule of crypto investing. With all that said, we can continue, guys, and right now you can see I'm introducing you the DitGold. This is a project built on the belief that data is the new gold, and that actually is true. Instead of traditional physical commodities, DitGold lets communities take part in the data economy through its native token DITAU, and AU is actually gold if you know the chemistry. So a token as a representation of data value. So right now, guys, by scrolling down you can see an interesting article where you can find what and why of DitGold actually is and why that is good. So in the 21st century, guys, he has unshared in an era of unprecedented digital transformation, redefining the fundamental sources of global wealth and power. For centuries, gold served as ultimate store of value, and oil powered the industrial age, as I mentioned in the beginning. So however, guys, in the interconnected data-driven world, a new commodity has emerged as the most critical and valuable resource, and that's data. So AI boomed about that. Marketing is also very important. You need data, and with data you can manage and have everything, which means that information is something that is most valuable in the world right now. There is bunch of researches done on the information and how people react when they have information and once when they do not have it. So if you have that in mind, you can understand why data and why information is something that is really most important thing right now in the world, especially with the AI explosion. So with all of that, you can see by scrolling down, first you need to know that what DitGold and their token DITAU through its native token aim to capitalize on the paradigm shift by creating a decentralized ecosystem that acknowledges, tokenize and democratize the value driven from data asset. So with that in mind, you can understand how powerful this actually can be. Don't forget, I'm not encouraging you to buy anything. I'm here to represent you the project. Everything else is strictly on you. So by scrolling down, you can see that the token symbol is DITAU. This is the contract. It's an ERC20 token. They have 18 decimals, and total supply is 888,888,888. Initial liquidity is 8.88 Ethereum on the DEX, and liquidity is locked for 8 years, 8 months, and 8 days. So that's very cool. By scrolling down, you're able to see token allocation and how they're going to distribute the tokens. So 44% is going to the original launch and public distribution. Community incentives and airdrops will use 15%. Treasury development and founders will use 41%. And with the above, all the contracts are locked, so liquidity is locked for 8 years and 8 months and 8 days. Right now you're able to buy their token on the Uniswap. All you need is a MetaMask or any other wallet that is supported. You need to have some Ethereum in your wallet, and you are able, if you're willing, to participate in buying the token. But let's first find out what their roadmap is and what is that they're going to do in the future. So first, guys, that I can see is that in the phase 1, they are going to establish the core market presence and the infrastructure. Key milestones like DEX liquidity, pool deployment, 8.88 Ethereum, token generation event, initial community building and distribution. Second phase is data protocol development, which is the most important part, which means that they're going to develop the first data to token protocol. Also, key milestone is launch of the DitGold testnet, initial data verification mechanism, and smart contract audit. Phase 3 is ecosystem expansion. So scale utility and begin full-scale data asset tokenization. Key milestone is mainnet launch, introduction of the staking mechanism, and also launch of the first decentralized data asset product. Also in the phase number 4, you're able to see that focus on key decentralized key milestone is transition to the DITAU holder-led DAO, establishment of a treasury management framework, strategic partnerships with enterprise data providers, and also full decentralization of the project protocol. So they have huge plans for the future. I'm really in love with this stuff, and I'm really in love with the concept of what they are actually offering to us. Right here, guys, I opened their white paper, and it's very cool stuff. If you want to understand project deeper, better, to have better knowledge about it, my suggestion is to definitely come here and understand it better, so you can make your decisions. Here you can see an amazing graph where you are able to understand the difference between the gold, between gold, oil, and also data, which is cool to understand how great and how important information and data actually is. And with all of that, you're able to understand why these have some huge potential behind it. Right here, guys, you can see also the blog where you can find it. So they have also an amazing blog about this. So the world's most valuable commodity right now is data. So the engine of modern businesses is that's what I mentioned in the beginning. High-tech giants leverage data. Google organizing the world's information. Amazon is the personalized marketplace. Facebook connecting people and the interest, which is important. So everything in the world right now is connected and driven by data. So that's why data is so expensive, and it will be expensive even more, and it will have even more value in the future. So generally, guys, what is important to know is that at the core of the ecosystem of the data EU token, as I mentioned, is the they're an ERC20 asset on the Ethereum blockchain. The token has a fixed supply and transparent allocation, so designed for community growth, utility incentives, and a long-term development. Let's sum this up. DIT gold, or data is gold, is something that is new in the market, and it have an extremely cool concept. In the world where data drives artificial intelligence, automation, predictive markets, and personalized tech, controlling, sharing, and monetizing the data fairly could reshape how economies work. DIT Gold doesn't just create another crypto coin, guys, it's reinvestment value creation by recognizing data as a fundamental asset class and establishing community participation in the data economy. So that's why this project is really cool. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this breakdown, please subscribe to the channel. You will have more insights into the future, and also of decentralized finance, of data economies, and also of digital information. And with all of this, I will finish the video. Please, guys, stay safe in the crypto space, and see you in the next video.